taste, like photo developer. Clueless motherfuckers. I do, comma. I'm also dodging traffic in downtown St. Pete right now. Go! Just fucking. Hey, how's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
I'll be better when we're out of downtown.
Yeah, I bet.
I just came across 3 idiots. The Prius was the last one.
Just three?
Just 3. Make that 4 counting the Escalade.
Yeah, it's insane.
The first was just a couple that casually strolling in front of a construction site out into the street and doesn't even look to see if the sign says walk or if the light screen.